Hello, everybody. Welcome to a new video. It's not that much of a tutorial, more just me doing it. Today is MacOS Mojave on the Mac Mini. And then this is what I'm doing on the MacBook Pro. I should do the other way around, but well, I use the MacBook more than the MacBook Pro. But I do download it already. Don't know how to download it. Go to the App Store, search Mojave, and download it. Really don't know. If you do need to download it after the next OS comes out, you'll need to find it somewhere else. I do like the new name for the next OS, which is Catalina. I don't know why, I just like the name. But we have Mojave still to install. Why? I want dark mode. That is the only reason why I'm doing this. I'm stupid right now. To set up the installation of macOS Mojave. To set up the installation of macOS Mojave, click continue. Hey, I got it right. That fucked me up. Where's the main hard drive? Still. Oh, I don't know the password. Damn. Psych. I don't care if you can guess it. Don't really care. I don't know my password. It doesn't really matter. But yeah. Now we're installing the OS. Welcome back later on. Alright. That Mac has rebooted and it's doing this right now. Probably about the time it says on the screen that I can't read it because it's too small. Yes. But it's time to be done. It's about 30 minutes I think before I went out of full screen mode. I can get back to it just to see. What's in the meter? Where it was down. No. Oh, 54 minutes. Okay. Thanks. But yeah, after this is done, I'll come back to the screen and show next. Okay. Yeah. Turn the board on, dumbass. Okay. That may just boot it up. The login screen. I don't know how it's been, to be honest. I started about 5:30, I think. I don't know. Could be way off. Here at the login screen though, I'm gonna put the password in. And later. Block that out in editing. You know not to. Ah, there we go. And continue. And that stuff. Should be too long. Nope. But yeah, this background looks like shit at the dark mode. So we're gonna get rid of that. Where's the dock? There it is. Oh, what? You ass. Alright. Let's try and different wallpaper for this. This doesn't look at the dark mode. Desktop and screen theory. Come on. Yes. Desktop pictures. I'm going on MacBook, gotcha. What this one? Yeah. There we go. Alright. Dark mode is enabled. I'll do a purple box at a later time. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. It's kind of pointless, but I wanted to do it. And yeah, that's me, guys. Take it easy. Alright, so you guys watching me install macOS Mojave. And you probably know by the editing that the update was shit. And yes, it was. The networking in there is god awful. What's happening when I make videos, usually they start either on the camera or on my custom computer. It's usually Xbox recordings or the screen capture wise. To get the recordings off the custom built computer, I copy it over the network to share record it on Mac Mini. Or I keep dropping the connection out constantly. And that can be corrupted files happen, and it can happen because of that. If files can get corrupted. So I couldn't do that anymore. AirDrop uses Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The video I airdropped to my phone, to my Mac Mini, for the unboxing video where I unboxed the G60 Pro, the new album and stuff I said I'm going to upload it along with this video, I think. That video from my phone got corrupted over AirDrop because the Wi-Fi didn't being fucked up. Ethernet and Wi-Fi are both fucked up in Mojave. It ran slower on the Mac Mini than the Sierra ever did. And just it was annoying as hell. I tried the Apple support. I tried beginning to make it work. It's just a waste of time trying to bother. So they wouldn't listen to me at all. I keep telling them, like, I've done all this stuff to roll it out. It's something in the OS. Well, you gotta test this. Or change the Ethernet cable. I did. We do this. So I did it. And so they don't. Like, I told them several times. It's something in Mojave. Because contributors, one, I wrote everything out. Two, it only started after the update, and it's the update itself. So fuck you, Apple. You, whatever. Support's useless. Talk to the senior representative or whatever it's called. Just don't. It's a waste of time. So you know what? Fuck all this. We're back to what worked, and it's fine with that. There's no dark mode, but I need function overlooks. So screw you, Mojave. That's zero. It's already on zero now. You guys see that video too. I'll upload it along with the video. And yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video I made, because it was kind of pointless. Especially because it was having a voice in general. But it really gets something out of my problems, which was a video of me fucking with my mini for the next month and a half. Oh well. Hope you all enjoyed the video. I certainly did not enjoy this. And yeah, guys, take it easy.